Ever pondered upon the significance of debate skills in our daily lives? Imagine being able to articulate your thoughts with clarity, handle disagreements with grace, and persuade others with logic. These skills aren't just for the debating hall. They permeate every facet of our lives. From negotiating a contract in the boardroom to settling a dispute at the dinner table, effective communication is key. By presenting arguments logically and compellingly, you can influence minds and shape outcomes. Mastering debate skills could be your key to unlocking countless opportunities. Now, how does one craft a compelling debate speech? Well, the first step is to truly understand your topic. Dive deep into it, explore every nook and cranny. This isn't a shallow dive, my friends, but a voyage to the very heart of the matter. Next, conduct thorough research. Get your facts straight, your statistics ready, and your expert opinions lined up. You're preparing for battle, and your arsenal is your knowledge. Don't be afraid to delve into the depths of the library or the furthest corners of the internet. Now, with your treasure trove of information, lay out your key points. These are your guiding stars, your compass points. They'll keep you on track and ensure your arguments are clear and concise. But remember, a debate isn't just about you and your topic, it's about your audience too. Understand them, empathize with them, tailor your speech to resonate with their beliefs and values. You're not just speaking to them, you're speaking for them. Remember, an effective debate speech is a blend of knowledge, understanding, and strategy. A well-structured debate speech is your weapon in the battlefield of ideas. Picture this, a towering castle, your argument standing strong and unyielding. The structure of your debate speech is the architecture of this castle, each stone placed with purpose and precision. Let's start with the drawbridge, your introduction. This is where you grab your audience's attention, setting the stage with a compelling hook and stating your position clearly. It's your first impression, so make it count. Next, we move into the heart of the castle, the main argument. This is where you present your points in a logical and coherent manner, each point building upon the last. Use facts, data, and expert opinions to fortify your argument, ensuring it's as unassailable as a stone fortress. Now, it's time to fortify your castle against potential attacks. This is where you address counter-arguments. By acknowledging opposing viewpoints and refuting them effectively, you demonstrate your understanding of the issue at hand, making your argument stronger. Lastly, we reach the pinnacle, the tower of your castle, your conclusion. Here, you restate your position and summarize your arguments, leaving your audience with a strong impression of your stance. Ever wondered how some speakers can sway their audiences effortlessly? It's not magic, it's the mastery of persuasive techniques. Let's delve into a few. Firstly, we have logical reasoning. This is the backbone of any compelling argument. It involves presenting a clear, rational case supported by evidence. A well-reasoned argument is hard to refute and can work wonders in convincing your audience. Next, we have the emotional appeal. This is a powerful tool that taps into the listener's feelings. It's about painting vivid pictures with your words and making your audience feel something. Remember, people are often more moved by their hearts than their heads. Lastly, ethical considerations. This involves establishing yourself as a credible and trustworthy speaker. Your audience needs to believe in you before they can believe your argument. A good way to do this is by showing your understanding of the topic and referencing reputable sources. These techniques aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, they often work best when used in harmony. A well-structured argument that appeals to logic, emotions, and ethics can be a formidable force in a debate, and there you have it. The art of persuasion is the cornerstone of a winning debate speech. Let's recap the essentials of crafting a winning debate speech. We've established the significance of debate skills, not just in academic arenas, but also in navigating life's various discussions. Preparation, we've learned, is paramount, involving thorough research and understanding both sides of the argument. We've delved into the art of structuring your speech, a compelling introduction, clear arguments, and a convincing conclusion. And let's not forget the power of persuasive techniques, the secret sauce that adds oomph to your words. With these tips at your disposal, you're now ready to conquer the world of debates.